What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel, NSWTV, New South Wales Transport Videos. I've got a very special vlog to do here today. I've just hopped off this picnic train and the lead loco R766 just out there is about to run around the train. So she will come along this track here, or maybe that track, and she'll pass platform number 1. And then she'll run around and hook onto the other end. R766 is now reversing to pass platform.
I think I got a photo of it. Yeah, I did.
Alrighty, guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up now. And I will see you in my next vlog, which will probably be Steamfest. I will try to get another vlog in before Steamfest, though. Alright, well, I will see you in the next vlog. Please like, subscribe, favourite the video, share it to your friends and family, and goodbye for now.